and welcome. Today's video we are going to be unboxing our Boxycharm Base and Premium box for November. We're gonna go head and see which one came out on top, which one I prefer, whatever. So anyways guys, if you're new here, hi, hello, and welcome. My name's Rhonda, and over here we always embrace the hot mess because it's a judgment-free, drama-free, stress-free zone where we sit back, relax, we unbox, we chit chat, we give opinions in the most kindest, sweetest, nicest way possible. We're just here to have fun, playing in makeup, talking about makeup, and reviewing makeup. So hopefully you decide to stick around. I upload all the time over here. I also have a second channel, Hotmess Momma Vlogs, and definitely make sure to check me out over on Instagram as well. And literally today, this shirt nails it. I can't adult today. I love this. I'm all about cute clothes, and I am finding a bunch at Torrid, Glitzy Girl Boutique, and at Old Navy. And then Rakuten's got like this amazing deal going on where you sign up and you get 40 bucks, and I'm like, and then cash back, and I'm like, stop it. And then Boxycharm has Boxy pop up, and my bank account is pretty much calling going, excuse me Rhonda, calm down. And I'm like, I'm trying. Anyways guys, I've rambled long enough. Let's go ahead and get into the unboxings. Okay guys, so like I said, we are going to be unboxing our Boxycharm Base and our Boxycharm Premium box for November. Now the Boxycharm Base box is what we're going to start off with first. Now this is a monthly subscription. It's $25 a month, and you are guaranteed at least $125 worth of goodies in here. You do get to customize one item in this box. This was sent over to me in PR, so I did not do any type of customizing whatsoever. So let's go ahead and jump right in. As always, we do get a card in here, and on the card you're going to see a variation down here in the corner. So right off the bat, this is variation 54. Now on the back of this card you're going to see everything that is in this box, retail value, little information about everything as well. So jumping right in, the first item in this box is by Volition Beauty. This is the Snow Mushroom Water Serum, and I told you guys that I got to sit in on a Zoom call with the company where they discussed this product, and I'm super excited to try this product out. So the Volition Beauty Snow Mushroom Water Serum has a retail value of $62. It's an ultra hydrating serum powered by the superfood snow mushroom to minimize the look of the pores and leave skin visibly plumper and healthier looking. You guys, like I said, they showed us like a demonstration and everything of the snow mushroom. It was insane. If I seem a little off, it is because my house is full of kids, and they're just hooting and hollering and carrying on up there. So you know, mom life, there's nothing I can really do about it. So anyways, I have to get into this because I was super excited about this product. I also saw this is available in Boxy Pop-Up as well, which I want to say Boxy Pop-Up goes on for about a week. So there's no like funky smell or anything like that, but I'm just so excited about this product. So it's really nice, very lightweight, so I am excited to try that out. And it does feel like really nice and soothing, so super excited about that. The next item I see in here is by 111 Skin. This is the Hyaluronic Acid Aqua Booster. Oh, I mean, that's cool. This is really expensive. It does, I think it's going to be similar to this product. Let's see. So this has a retail value of $135, and it is a hyaluronic acid aqua booster. Increases the moisture levels by delivering a shot of concentrated hydrating ingredients into the skin to combat both dryness and dehydration. I'm gonna be super hydrated, guys. So if you happen to get this particular variation, the difference is the hydration side of things comes from the snow mushroom, and this one I guess is like straight up hyaluronic acid. So there's a little bit of a difference. However, in the end, they're both doing the same thing. So there is that. The next item I see in here is by Jekka Black. This is the Liquid Corrector 2.0. This has a retail value of $15. It says meet the perfect under eye brightener, which disguises darkness and evens out skin tone. The lightweight formula creates a natural and glowing finish. I was curious about this, guys, because I didn't know if it was going to be like one of those really peachy or orangey color corrector type. Ooh. Okay, I accidentally got a little too much. So this is what it looks like. I don't know if my camera is showing that. So let's see. Okay, so it blends out pretty nice. I don't really know my purpose of doing this. I just thought I'd show you guys the color if you guys were curious like I was. So no scent or anything. It actually, I did put it over top that Volition Beauty product. So it blended out really nice, so that's good. Okay, so the next item I see in here, this was actually one of the choice items, and this isn't gonna work for me, but this is the Benefit Give Me Brow. This says it's 94% said brows looked visibly thicker. Like I said, this was a choice item. That it came in the shade 5. So I'm not even gonna open this. I'm gonna go ahead and pass it along because that it's going to be, number 5 is going to be really dark. But this says it is a retail value of $24. It's a tinted eyebrow gel that contains tiny microfibers that adhere to skin and hairs, creating natural looking fullness and definition. The custom tiny tapered brush provides easy mess-proof application. Poof! Fuller looking brows magically. And I have to say, I love using a brow gel with fibers in there. You guys know that I use my Milk makeup in the shade Haze, which is the fairest, I guess you would say, shade, and I absolutely love it because I have thyroid issues and it really does help to thicken up the look of my brows. Next, I see the Half Cake Game Changer. This is 3 lip fondants, it says. It does say it has a retail value of $32 for these. Oh my gosh, they're so cute. These right here, like the lids alone are right up my alley, guys. I am such a sweet tooth, like sweet junkie. So these are the shades right here. They're pretty. They're in shade Theme Song, Low Key, and Bordeaux, I think. So let's see what it says about these. It says these lip fondant liquid lipsticks go on with a feather light texture and a complete and dry completely matte. Ooh, that's what I was scared of. For the best wear, make sure lips are exfoliated and hydrated before applying. I finally got my lips back to where they're not in crazy dry, so I am actually going to just go ahead and gift these because I've been on the struggle bus with my lips a little bit, so I don't want to dry them out. So anywho, that is everything in this base box. So let me go ahead and let's jump into our premium unboxing. Now, a little information about the premium box. The premium box is $35 a month. You will receive at least $175 worth of goodies in here, and you do customize one item in the box. And last month, or for November, I shouldn't say last month. So for November, the customization was the Smashbox Loose Setting Powder and the Illamasqua palette, which I was super excited about. We do get a card in the box, and this is variation 5 if you guys are curious. So the first item that I was super excited about that I did see was the Illamasqua palette. It does have a retail value of $50, and again, this is another item that I did see available in Boxy pop-up, and it was available for like $9. So crazy. So this is Express Your Individuality with 12 highly pigmented powder eyeshadows with satin matte and metallic shimmers. And you guys, this palette is beautiful. I'm working on getting a video up over on Instagram for you guys on a look. And the shades were so nice, easy to work with. The shimmers were great. The mattes were perfect. I didn't struggle whatsoever with this palette. I do want to make mention that on the little plastic piece that is in here, that is where you find the names of each shade. So typically I just chuck those, but because the names are on here, I just decided to keep it. So anyways, like I said, I've been playing around with this palette and I really do like it. I mean, it's very nice. The next item I see in here is by Dosa Colors. This is Lock and Key. This is the single eyeshadow, and this has a retail value of $20. Now, when this came out, I wanted these so bad because I saw like Kathleen Lights. Ooh, this is pretty. I saw Kathleen Lights do a look, or she had gotten the collection or something, and oh, that's really pretty. She had gotten the collection and they just looked so beautiful. Now, in my paid for premium box, I did receive one of these as well. Pretty much this variation, just with different colors. And I've been using it and I really like them. I actually, if you feel like they're a little too dark, I just take one of those like flat shader brushes and drag it along my lash line and use it as like a powdered liner, and it wears throughout the day perfectly. So that is the next item in the box. Next, and I have this on too from my paid for premium box that I received. This is the Ilia Color Block High Impact Lipstick. This has like a retail value of like $28. Yeah, $28. Now, I received in my paid box, I received the shade Rosette, which is like this really pretty like mauve shade. This one in the PR box is called Amber Light. So I don't know what this one looks like. Let's see. Oh, that's pretty. It's kind of another neutral, more of the peachy side of things. Oh yeah, I like that a lot. It matches my shirt perfectly. So I will tell you guys, like I said, I have this one on from my paid box mixed with a little bit of my Pat McGrath lip gloss over here. Dare to Bear, just right in the center for a little bit of a gloss. But these are so nice and so hydrating. Like, I absolutely love, love, love these lipsticks. The next item in here, this is one that I believe everybody will see in their box. This is by Cosmetics, and this is the little brush duo set. One is silicone with nubs. Thank you guys so much, because when I did my paid for unboxing, I'm like, these little doohickey thingies on here, I can't think of what they're called. And you guys were like, I think you're looking for the word nubs. I'm like, yes, yes, that's what I was looking for. So one, I'm not opening this because I will be gifting this, but one has like the silicone little nubs, and it actually is really good to, you know, do a little bit of cleansing around the nose, on the chin area. And this one, I'm still trying to figure this brush out. It's a very dense synthetic brush, and you're supposed to be able to cleanse and apply your masks and everything with. I don't know. I typically just kind of slap my mask on either with my hands or one of these things, so I don't know. Like I said, I received this in my paid for box, and I have used the silicone one, and I really like it. These do have a retail value of, let's see here, $25, and it does say like it's a cleansing type of item to help gently exfoliate and to deep cleanse. And the other one says apply cream exfoliators, serums, and masks. I don't know. I don't know about that. I almost feel like it would be a good foundation brush. Next, we're seeing the Real Her Lip Duo lip pencils again. And let's see if they're the same color as what I received in my box. Yeah, they're the exact same color. And I actually do like these shades too. They're like a berry and then a nude shade. So, and I really like the way that they're nice and they're creamy. I haven't had any issues with them feathering out or anything. But like I said, one is berry and one is more of a nude shade, and they're really comfortable, easy to glide on type of formula. And I like seeing a lot of more of the Real Her in here, because we received a brow pencil and I'm loving it. So the last item a little information about the duo. It does have a retail value of $25 for these two lip liners, and like I said, they're really good liners. The last item in here is by Grown Alchemist. This item is $125. This advanced detoxifying night cream is formulated with a complex blend of peptides, echinacea, vitamins, hyaluronic acid, and essential omega fatty acids to they detox and regenerate the skin, reducing the appearance of, you know, the typical thing we hear about. So I also received this in my paid for box, and I've heard a lot of really good things on this. So this is sitting on my shelf, ready to use, ready to go when I get through the skincare I have. So that is both of the boxings, and I have to say for the month of November, between these two, I'm gonna go ahead and give it to the premium box. I mean, like I said, this box is $35. We got a ton of amazing products in here, and I mean, these are all products that I'm definitely, I can see myself using. I'm not like, or anything like that. So what are your guys' thoughts on this? Did you feel the same way? Did you feel like this base box was kind of compared to the premium? Let me know you guys' thoughts. What variation did you get? What were your standout products as far as that goes? Don't forget, as of today, when I'm filming this, it's Tuesday. This, I think, is going to go up on Friday. I believe Boxy Pop-Up is still open. I really need them to close it down, like now. Because, like, I'm telling you what, they keep popping things up for sale, and your girl is weak because they're really good deals. And that's all I'm gonna say about that. Anyways, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this enough to give me a big thumbs up. If you're interested in signing up for Boxycharm, I always leave my link down in the description box as well as in the comment section for you guys if you're interested in signing up and getting your own base or premium box. December is also BoxyLuxe month, so let me know you guys' thoughts on that. I'll be honest with you guys, I was not overly excited about my choices for the Luxe box for December. But that's okay, because the guaranteed products that we're going to be getting, I'm like, ooh, maybe that's making up for it. We've only seen 2 sneak peeks of the Luxe. There's more to come, so I'm pretty excited about it. So anywho, that's all for now. I'm rambling too much. Until next time, as always, I hope you have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Bye, guys.